Welcome back to the Kashyap Tech IT Brothers. So this is the part 28 of the SSIS tutorial. So in this we will going to see about the error handling, like how we are handling the error in SSIS package, like if package it's get failed or something, is there any issue, then how you will going to handle the error handling in SSIS package. So let's start with the example. So like I have made one SSIS package. Basically this is the source where I have set up the uh, source. Like from the source we are pulling the data from the department third table. Okay, and these are the columns. Okay, and we have used the conditional split on the basis of we are pulling the data of research and development data on this table, and others are in that table. So let's I will show you the how data is there, like in our tables, and what was the scenario we are doing the testing. So basically, so department 3 have some data, you can see here. Okay, so basically we are going to fetch the research and development data in a other table on the basis of some condition using in a conditional split, and apart from all the data will go to another table. But somehow if is there any tables have a like a different data, like you can see I have updated here some data like a AAN, and you can see the department 3. Okay, department 3 table, the column group name have the length of n marker is 100. But if you see, we are pulling the data in department like other table. Basically our destination table is 1 and 2. Okay, so if you see 1 and 2 have the data type and marker is a 50, and here also he have the n marker 50. Okay, so basically while pulling the data on this those table, we will face some truncation error. Basically truncation error means if the data types is different, then you will face some error, or there is a having the option to ignore those package. You can see the here is some symbol like truncation may occur due to the retrieving the data from the database column group name. If you see the data type here, like by cursor drag and drop here, like you can see for the group name it's a length is 100, and here it's a 50. Okay, input column, so it's throwing some error here. You can also see having the error. Okay, so for ignoring, you can first ignore it like by going to error output. Like here is a fail component. Let's first run the SSS package without doing anything. Yep, so you can see we got the error. If you see the error detail here, the error, there was an error with the OLEDB source output, the group name on OLEDB source output, the columns stated written was text was written to one or more. You can copy this into the text. Okay, just 1 minute, I will do that, and we can see format. You can see text was truncated, or one or more character had no match in the target code page. So basically our destination and source, it's not matching with that column. The the data type it's different for the both the table. If you see here, by going to on a destination, if you see by mapping here, it's a group name, it's a like a 50 length, it's required the input from the 50 and output will be the 50. But what we are getting, we are getting the 100 out from the input from the data source, 100 length. So basically avoiding, you can for avoiding this type of issue, you can do one thing in error output. You can ignore this one by selecting from here, and apply it and click OK. Now let's try to run it if it's running fine or not. Yep, so now it's, you can see 17 rows was come, and the case one which we have put the condition on the basis 3 rows found, and it was inserted on the table first, and other all are in a table 2. But there is a something you can see, 14 plus 3, it's a 17, correct? We are getting only 70 rows. If you see in a department 3, we have a total count is 17. Okay, so we are getting all the records from here, but we have some truncation error as well. If you wanted, if you suppose if you have a scheduled any job or any ETL to run on a every night at midnight at 11 p.m. or at 12 p.m., and the package will transfer the hundreds millions of data from the source to destination. In that case, how you will find out the which data was truncation or which data was ignored, or anything else? So for that we can do that. You can do the you can see here is a one red line. By using this, you can find out which column of a data have the issue. So I will take one destination more from here, already destination, and I will map this to this, and I will do group name for redirect. Okay, redirect the all the rows into that destination table, that is the table for 4. Okay, and we have to ignore this one. Okay, now we have configured. Now let's rerun the package. Let's if it's anything insert in that error table. Okay, so you can see the 3 rows was inserted here, and 10 rows was inserted here, and 4 rows which have a truncation error, all those are added here in a destination table 4. You can see here in a table destination 4, you will see that is sales and marketing. Okay, sales, marketing, purchase have the group name, it's a different. And in a department 1 and department 2, correct, we can see the department 2 as well, which data has been deleted, means escaped from the table. You can see now those all are skipped. Okay, so by using these things you can handle the error, truncation on which column, or on which records have truncation occurred. So by using these steps you can find out the all the data. Okay, so that's it about. If you have any feedback, then please share it, and subscribe the channel. Yeah, thank you.